So this is going to be a complete and honest review of Ultimate AI. I'm going to tell you guys if you can really replace all of these expensive monthly AI subscription with Ultimate AI. I'm going to be discussing about the different OTOs and upgrade, and also I will discuss about the vendor. This is Dr. Amit and Atul Parith. So I'm going to be telling you guys if these vendors are like good or not. And also I'm going to be discussing about some alternatives that you could be using instead of Ultimate AI. So stick around till the end of this video, as this video is going to be very informative. So first let's have a look at the sales page. So here they say run your entire online business from one smart powerful AI dashboard. So under the demo dashboard they will basically have all of these AI tools that could basically help you run your business. So all of this sounds very good, and also especially if you look at the sales video, it's extremely good on how they edited things and how the software it's looking. But I want to tell you guys that it's not really worth your time, because I know the vendors and the vendors are not that great. I know the sales page is very good and they have invested a lot of money in the sales page, but trusting a vendor like this is not very worth your time. So let me tell you why I don't trust this vendor. So the first thing is when you look at his profile. So this is JVSU. This is one of the platform which he sells this product. So if you look at his average number of sales, it's almost 37,500 sales in the last 365 days. So he should be making over $1 million plus this year alone. And also, if you look at his average product rating, which is not really great, he's only getting a 3-star review. So the real question you need to ask yourself is that, do you really need to trust a vendor that has only like 3-star review but almost 238 views? So a 3-star vendor is someone you should actually stay away from, because in JVSU there are a lot of products that aren't really good. So in order to find a product that is actually good and working is a review of 4-star or 4-star above. So I would absolutely suggest you guys stay away from this particular seller because of his reviews. And one more red flag I found was about the different OTOs and upgrade. So if you look at the front end, it is like $37, but I think it's over $17, I believe. So the front end is probably going to vary. So for now, they are saying that the front end for the commercial license, it is $37. Then if you look at the first OTO, it's almost $197. Now the thing you need to keep in mind is that once you pay this $37, the front end price, you will get into the software and you will understand that there isn't much features on it. And once you realize that, you will go ahead and purchase the first OTO. And like that, when you reach the first OTO after you pay $197, then you will go again to the second OTO, which is $97. Then after you go to the OTO 2, you'll again think that there isn't much feature, then you go to the OTO 3. So this is like a sales funnel, and this is how the vendor is going to make a lot of money, and that's the reason why he has just 3-star review. And also there is a bundle package which is also very expensive, like $317, and you can basically purchase this in order to get all the features. So if you actually add this all up, it's actually very expensive. And I can assure you guys that in the front end, you're not going to be getting any features. You'll just get access to the software, and they'll ask you to basically upgrade once you get into the front end. So don't fall for the sales trap. I would highly suggest you guys stay away from Ultimate AI. And if you're looking for an alternative, they basically compare prices between all of these expensive tools and Ultimate AI. And I want to tell you guys that it's not true, guys. If you actually look at ChatGPT, you can basically ask it anything and you're not going to be getting price for it. So it's absolutely free, no matter if you're writing an Instagram post or maybe a LinkedIn post or Twitter post or maybe email writings or anything you want, you could basically ask ChatGPT. Maybe if you're doing a blog. So all of the features Ultimate AI that is given, you can basically do it for free with ChatGPT. And also, if you really want to host websites and all of that, you can always go with Hostinker. They have very cheap plans, and you don't have to spend like $300 to get the entire features. It's only $2.99 per month for the hosting website. So that's something you have to keep in mind, and I'll leave a link in the description for Hostinker. And also talking about 11 Labs, and if you actually go to the pricing, they will basically give you like 10,000 credits every single month for absolutely free. So it costs you $0 per month. And to mention guys, 11 Labs provides one of the best sounds out there in the market. So there is no other tool that is bringing in better voice than 11 Labs. So if you want to go ahead and purchase it, you can go ahead as well. But for 10,000 credits, which is like a lot, you get it for like $0 per month. Again, I will leave the link to 11 Labs in the description. And also you have InVideo AI. So this is basically a paid tool. But again, guys, this is also like one of the better tools out there in the market. And if you actually look at its feature, you get an AI video generator, you get an AI avatar generator, you get UGC ads, you get AI image generator, animation maker, link to video, movie maker, AI video meme generator, TikTok video maker. You have AI clip generator, YouTube shorts maker, AI subtitle generator. Then you have voiceover generator as well. So you could just replace 11 Labs also. And the kind of quality you get at InVideo is extremely high. And if you look at this video over here, it's amazing. It's all made by AI. You could be making videos like this as well. So you can see some of the AI videos that have been made here. So this is completely AI. And let's have a look at the Vikings. So yeah. So as you can see, you could be making like extremely good videos like this. And here also, there is actually sound here.
Calls. As a remote professional, clear communication is everything. Poor audio can cost you credibility. With my menu, my voice is all.
So basically all the features that you're getting in Ultimate AI, you could probably get it in like one of the best tools out there in the market, which is InVideo. And if you scroll down, you can see other things which you could be doing with the app. You have like videos by AI actors. So all of these people are AI generated and they look pretty like solid real. And if you compare it with the demo video of Ultimate AI, this is going to stand out a lot because that one is very basic and this looks like really good. If you want to check InVideo out, I'll leave a link in the description. So I highly suggest you guys stay away from Ultimate AI. This is not a tool that you should be going for, and they basically compare all the pricing and they will tell you that it's way better, but in reality Ultimate AI is more expensive because in ChatGPT you can basically do it for free. 11 Labs also you can do it for free, and Hostinker it's very cheap, and InVideo is something you will have to pay a little bit. But again guys, based on what you're going to be getting in the features and everything, it's way better. So this is 100 times better because it's the best software out there in the market than paying for the OTOs and the bundles in Get Ultimate AI. So that's basically it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I am hoping to see you on another review video.